Meaning of imperturbable.
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 Imperturbable. Imperturbable is an adjective that describes a person who is consistently calm and composed, even in difficult or stressful situations. This person is not easily upset or disturbed by external stimuli and has a stable and grounded demeanor. The result of being imperturbable is that this person is seen as reliable and dependable, able to handle challenges with grace and ease. Their unflappable nature can inspire confidence in others and make them effective leaders or problem solvers. Imperturbability can be a valuable trait in personal and professional settings, allowing individuals to navigate challenging situations with equanimity.